Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can purchase a hosting plan on Namecheap.com. So first go to Namecheap.com and then go to hosting and select shared hosting. Of course, if you want to buy a different type of hosting, you can select that one. But for now, we are going to select shared hosting. So here you can see that we have three options to choose from. Here we can select the data center location, and we have three options: US, UK, and EU. You should choose the location where your main target audience is located, or where it's near to your main target audience. So for now, I am going to select US. And here you can select the billing cycle. You can select from monthly, yearly, and you can buy the hosting for 2 years. So if you select monthly, the monthly price will be different. So you get a cheaper monthly price if you select a longer billing cycle. And if you select 2 years, it's going to be even cheaper. Okay, so if you select the monthly billing cycle, you won't be able to get a free domain. So if you select the yearly billing cycle, here you can see that a domain name will be available for you when you pay for one of these packages. And if you hover over, it says your annual hosting plan comes with one domain name offer. We will be able to select a free domain name. And here you can see how much you are going to pay for 1 year. So with the Stellar, I'm going to pay $25. With the Stellar Plus, $34, and with the Stellar Business, $58. But it will renew at a higher price after 1 year. Because I'm doing this for demonstration purposes, I'm going to select the cheapest one, but you should select the Stellar Plus, because then you will be able to host basically unlimited websites on your server, while with the Stellar package you will only be able to host 3 websites, and it also has a 20 gigabyte storage limit. If you need more information about the different packages and want to compare them, you can just scroll down, and here you can see the tech specs, and you can compare all 3 packages in great detail. Okay, the most important thing is that it comes with free automatic SSL installation. So we need an SSL certificate on our website. So it will be available through HTTPS and not HTTP. This is very important because this is a confirmed ranking factor at Google. So if you don't have this, then your website will not rank very good in the search engines. Okay, so let's buy this hosting. So we'll click Get Started. And now here you have a choice to select a new domain, or if you already have a domain, you can select this option, but later you will need to point that domain to this server if you have that domain name registered at a different domain registrar like GoDaddy. In a separate video, I'm going to show you how to do that, but right now we just select the first one, the new domain, and this is a new purchase. And now we need to search for a domain name. Okay, so we need to type in the domain name that we want to register. In most of the cases, you want to register a .com domain name. So if needed, try to spend some time to come up with a good name and hope that it's not taken. So let's try something like, okay, I think it's going to be taken. Yes, this domain name is taken, so we need to come up with a different idea. In my case, it doesn't really matter. So this is free and it's available for registration. So let's come down and click this Connect to Hosting button and click Add to Cart. For some reason, we didn't get the domain name 100% free. We got some deals. Let's go back and let's see why. Maybe I just missed something. Okay, so your annual hosting plan comes with one domain name offer. Okay, so you can get one of these free top-level domain names, or if you choose this plan, you can get the free top-level domains, or you can get discounted .com, .biz, or .co, and here this is basically the same, just a little bit more free top-level domains, but actually $35 for a domain name and 1 year hosting is really not bad. So we can confirm the order and pay, and then we'll have access to our hosting account. If you want, you can add some extra services here, but we don't really need anything else from here. So all we need to do is click confirm order, and then if you have an account with Namecheap, you can log in. If you are a new user, you can create a new account. So this is what I am going to do. Okay, and then click the create account and continue. Okay, so this username is taken, so let's just change it. Let's type the password again. And let's try it again. So our account has been created. We still need to add some information. If you are registering on behalf of a company, you need to check this box. I am not, so I uncheck it. And we need to provide our billing address details. Okay, if you're done, click continue. And here you don't need to do anything. Click continue again. And here you can select your payment method. You can pay with a credit card, or you can pay with PayPal, account funds. I'm going to select PayPal, click continue, and now you can see your order overview and the PayPal button. I'm going to click the PayPal button. Oh, you need to accept the terms first. Now let's click the PayPal button again, and we'll be redirected to PayPal. So log into your PayPal account. And if everything seems okay, click continue. And now the payment is being processed and our hosting account should be ready soon. Okay, so if you see this page, then the purchase was successful. Here Namecheap gives us some getting started guide. Let's just open this in a new tab. We'll take a look at it later. And if you hover your mouse over your username, you can go to dashboard, and here you can see your product. So we have this quick start guide. We have 3 steps here. We don't really have to do anything with step 1 because we register the domain name with Namecheap when we order this hosting account, and here it says the domain name you chose when purchasing your shared hosting package will be assigned to your account as the main domain. If you register the new domain with Namecheap when purchasing hosting, good news, everything is already set up for you. Let's go to step 2. Choose a tool to build your website. We don't really need to do anything here because later we are going to use WordPress and we will install it on our own. So we don't have to worry about step 2 either. But step 3 is important because it talks about the SSL certificate. This SSL is not yet activated on our website. So if we try to visit our website in a browser, the browser will say it's not secure. So we have to do something about this. Okay, here there is a link to learn more about SSL for cPanel. So cPanel is the control panel for our hosting account, and we will work a lot there. So let's open this link. And here it basically tells us what to do if we want to enable this SSL certificate on our server. So basically we'll just have to follow these steps. So Namecheap SSL is an application on Namecheap shared hosting servers to ease the SSL installation process. Here we can find it in our cPanel. So first we need to go to our cPanel. So here, if you hover over this icon, you see a link, go to cPanel. It will open in a minute. Okay, we can close this, we don't need that. Welcome message. Okay, and here you can see that there's no valid certificate on this domain. And this is the link. Now we can close this tab, and this is where we are right now. So we need this link. So if you click this link, we'll be redirected to our Namecheap account page with the sign in with the Namecheap button. This option synchronizes the certificates in our Namecheap and cPanel accounts. Let's do that. So here in the first section of this cPanel, let's click Namecheap SSL. We can close this tab as well. And so we need to click this link, and then we need to click the Allow button. Let's see if this is really how it works. Sometimes these documentations are a little bit outdated. Okay, so let's click. So right now we don't have any SSL installed. Let's check this tab. Okay, so our SSL certificate is being activated. So I guess we just need to wait a little. Let's click this sync button. Okay, so the SSL certificate is installed and active. And if we go back here to the main page of cPanel, now the red warning disappeared, and apparently we have secured our website with SSL. Let's just click here and let's see. And now we don't have this not secure warning in our browser. And if you just click here, you can see that the website is served via the HTTPS protocol. Okay, so this is just the default page that Namecheap provides us. If you want to change this, you can go to Files, File Manager. You can go to public HTML. So the main website is always in the public_HTML folder. And let's see how your website is ready to go. And here, right click and click edit. Okay, and this is the code for the default website. And if I just make some changes just to make sure we are at the right place, I save the changes, and if I go back and refresh, okay, so we can change this. But why is it not secured properly? Okay, so this is how you can set up a hosting account at Namecheap and activate your SSL certificate. So now we are ready to create our own website. So basically we can close here this, and basically here we just need to remove these folders and files and upload our own website. And this is what we are going to do in a future video. Thank you for watching.